Hi, I'm Sandra and I am a DE in Montana, and this is my 2-second lean video for recruitment. I put together a bag so that I don't have to carry a box. A crate is what I was using before, so now I have this bag. Important part that it has a flat bottom, which you can see I've already used. And then I put all of the things I need for recruitment in it. I have 10 clipboards with applications on the clipboards so that I'm not struggling with that when I am handing them to parents. The applications are already on. I have adult applications and spare youth applications in this folder. And on the back, it tells me exactly how many are on and in. I have 2 sign-in sheets so that no one's waiting to sign in. Each have multiple sign-in sheets so that if someone finishes one, the next one is right there, not to worry. I have a box of pens. I found that having a bag of pens or a pen case isn't as effective because then people, when they are going to look for one, they don't know, can I open this bag? And we take the lids off because that's just one less thing parents have to worry about. Boys' Life's I put in bundles of 10 so that I know how many I have and they don't then get scattered all over the bag. Our council gives away these fidget spinners for new sign-ups. So I have a pile of those, and then I have a district event sheet that I give to every parent just in case there isn't something, the unit forgets their calendar or something, or a parent finds that that unit isn't working for them, then they can come to this, and then I leave the extras with the units so that they have them to give out to scouts who are already scouts. Lastly, and this is a new addition to the bag, is an envelope for completed applications with a receipt book right inside. So there's never any question when people give me cash, I have a receipt book. It cost me $1 at the dollar store. I'm thrilled with them, so I have one for each bag, and I have 3 bags because sometimes I have 3 recruitments. In this, I also have a checklist for what's in the bag on the application form so that we know what goes in here and what should be in it and what we need to refill. And that's my 2-second lean, and I hope that helps you.